When it comes to protecting data both at rest and in transit, Azure provides a range of solutions designed to ensure that your data is secure, no matter where it resides or how it is transmitted. Azure Key Vault plays a central role in managing encryption keys and secrets used for protecting data. It provides secure storage for keys, certificates, and secrets. It enables centralized management and access control. By using Azure Key Vault, administrators can enforce stringent access policies, track key usage, and automate key rotation to reduce the risk of key compromise. Azure Infrastructure Encryption goes beyond basic encryption at rest. It provides double encryption, where data is encrypted twice, once at the storage level and again at the infrastructure level. This double layer of encryption offers an additional safeguard and ensures that even if one layer of encryption is breached, the data remains protected. Let's understand a bit about data at rest in Azure. Data at rest includes all the information stored on physical media, whether it's on premises or in the cloud. Protecting this data is essential, and encryption plays a key role. Azure ensures that data at rest is encrypted by default, but it's also important for organizations to classify their data according to its sensitivity. This classification will help in applying the right level of encryption and ensuring that sensitive data remains secure. For virtual machines, Azure Disk Encryption uses BitLocker or dmcrypt for Linux to encrypt the OS and data disk. The encryption keys are managed securely through Azure Key Vault, which allows organizations to maintain control over their encryption keys and ensure that only authorized users can access them. Azure also supports the use of key encryption key called KEK in addition to the data encryption key called DEK. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that if the data encryption key is compromised, the data remains secure, as the key encryption key is required to decrypt the data encryption key. Data in transit is vulnerable to interception and tampering, making encryption critical. Azure recommends using TLS protocols for encrypting data during transmission. Whether data is moving between on-premises infrastructure and Azure or between different services within Azure, encryption ensures that the data cannot be read or altered by unauthorized parties. When transferring data over the public internet between an Azure virtual network and on-premises location, Azure VPN gateway can be used to establish a secure encrypted connection. This prevents any potential man-in-the-middle attacks and ensures the integrity and confidentiality of the data in transit. Rather than relying on shared keys, Azure encourages the use of identity-based storage access controls. By integrating with Microsoft Entra ID, you can enforce role-based access control and ensure that only authenticated and authorized users can access your data. In summary, Azure provides a comprehensive set of tools and best practices for encrypting data both at rest and in transit. By leveraging Azure Key Vault, disk encryption, identity-based access controls, and robust encryption protocols, administrators can ensure their data remains secure throughout its lifecycle, whether it is stored in the cloud or being transmitted between services.